Alright, here we are at the airport, Frankfurt, in this very cavernous terminal. We're not going to do anything for the next several days because we both came down with a really bad cold. Sore throat. It's not COVID. I can still smell and taste everything. So I do know it's not COVID. I wish I could not smell because some of these people freaking haven't bathed or washed their clothes. But I can still smell them. So we were looking for a Chinese restaurant, and right about here my ping went away, so we're not able to locate it. We did pass by a Thai place, so we're gonna go back there. And generally when I'm not feeling good, I crave Chinese food or Filipino food. Since I know I can't get Filipino food here. Well, I probably can in Frankfurt. But that would mean taking the train. I don't want to do that. I'm way too tired. So we're going to have Thai. And then take some to go for me to eat later. Or we'll probably go out to the restaurant. I don't know. We'll see how we feel. This is where we're going. It's called the Tavern here at the Sheraton. Enjoy regional gems. So we're gonna go enjoy regional gems.
What time? We open at 5:30.
5:30.
Huh?
5:30.
5:30. 5:35. 5:35. We are the
Make it 6. Make it 6.
6.
6. Maybe for 2?
I have a table for 2. Welcome to Restaurant Flavors. Follow me then. Is it the first time in our restaurant?
Yes, we tried to go to the tavern. They have no seats.
If you like, I'll show you very shortly our special. We are the international restaurant with a small touch of German, and this, in this case, 100% German dry aged. And for 2.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
He discovered it when the Waldorf showed it to him, and he loves it.
Isn't this cute? The cheese has things growing out of it. And what is that Dumsilien? Demicil? What's the demicil?
It's just another piece of bread, I think.
This one?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh.
We'll find out. You leave the broth here. Good. Good. Thank you.
Yeah, can I get the
Want some? There's no mushrooms. Want some?
Can I get the spinach? You need it worse.
Alright, I got the pork belly. I got 3 pieces. And we also got the schnitzel. I'm actually annoyed at service because the table to our right got their food before us.
Because Ariel ordered soup, and they don't put the order in for our meal
That's
until after he's done
bullshit.
with his soup. He doesn't understand how it works.
So I shouldn't order any appetizers whatsoever.
That's how it works.
No, it's not.
They don't know how long they're going to take on your soup. They can't risk the food sitting there, getting overcooked or cold.
Well, it's still bullshit. And then the table to the left got their food before us, and we ordered way before they did. So the service here at the Sheraton restaurant sucks, as far as I'm concerned. Yes.
We have a reservation, Walter.
Yes, that's the one. I just chased the other ones away. Thank you. Please, welcome. I'll be waiting for you. Please.
All right, I ordered potato soup, and it's very hearty looking. Look at this. It's a meal, and then white sausage. It's more of a soup. Could have just ordered that. They gave us a pretzel And Walter's having
Nuremberger sausages.
Nuremberg sausage.
You can have as much mustard as you want. If you want any of it.
What?
You can take mustard if you want. This is actually a lot of food for me.
Alright, for dessert, we're splitting an apple strudel in Germany.
In Germany.
Okay, still haven't really left the airport. We've been sick since we got here. So we've kind of just stayed in, eating around. We went to the tavern yesterday and had a really good dinner. It was a really good dinner. So today we are headed to the train station to check out what we can have there for lunch. And yes, right now we have been wearing the same clothes for the last 2 days because apparently the Marriott does not do laundry on the weekends. So we have clean clothes on Monday, which is tomorrow. And hopefully I feel better by then also. I'm still really not to par. My limbs still hurt right now. And a little bit nauseous. Not nauseous, dizzy. I ordered a liter of Radler. It's essentially a pitcher. Look at how big this is. Look at this. This is delicious. It's beer and lemonade. We're at the train station. It's a really nice train station. The sushi restaurant is closed. It's supposed to be right over there. Okay, this is the vegetable root with 2 doughs. I got fries. Mine came with a pretzel and white sausage, which is there. Where's the mustard? I don't see mustard. Okay, I'm gonna have to ask for mustard.
Oh yeah, this mustard. Oh, you can have this mustard.
I want your mustard. I want my own mustard.
It's more than enough.
Alright, Walter's having the schnitzel with fries and some jam. Assorted mustard, and not having the pork nickel. Huge.
Ist jetzt länger da als letztes Mal? Ja, diesmal eine ganze Woche. Sehr schön. Wie ist das Wetter dort?
Comes with 2 potatoes and sauerkraut.
Sehr schön.
And some dipping sauce.
Hier weiß man nicht.
And of course I'm having another wrap.
Schneit? Das ist immer die Frage.
Okay, this is the best part, the chicharrones. So we're gonna set that aside.
Make sure you eat it.
Delicious.